Hi, this is Dario from Dario's Cooking, and today I'll be making chocolate chip muffins that are gluten-free and dairy-free. The first thing you're going to need to do is get out all your ingredients. You're going to want 1 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 3/4 cups of flour. Alright, so get those ingredients out, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Oh, also preheat the oven to 425, and I'll tell you why so high later. So let's add everything to a bowl. Our vanilla, our eggs, ingredients first. Kind of was planning on doing the dry ingredients, but let's just do. Melted butter, the sugar, and the milk. Now let's stir that around until it's smooth. Okay. Oh, wow, it's actually starting to get cold. All right. Okay, so now let's add the baking powder, the flour, and the salt now. Oh, that's a lot. And then let's mix it around. All right, now I'll tell you why the oven, well, you need to preheat the oven so high. Actually, you do, but you're not going to have it on for the whole time. Just for the beginning, because at the beginning, we want to get those big old bakery style tall muffins like you usually get at the stores and stuff. So that's why we add so much baking powder and stuff. So I think we're gonna put it in for 5 minutes at that temperature, around 5 minutes. I don't know for sure. At that temperature, and then we're going to turn it down to 350 and then put it for a little longer. So can't have chocolate chip muffins without chocolate chips. Let's put 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. That looks good. Oh, it smells good too. Oh, all chocolate chips smell good. Uh-oh. All right, also reserve a handful for, I kind of didn't reserve a handful. Reserve a handful just to make it look pretty, to put on the top. So, oh, that's kind of bad of me. Well, I reserved a tiny bit. You don't even need to put it on the top, it just looks pretty. All right, let's set this bowl aside because we're going to make our muffin, just grease our muffin tins. All right, now let's fill every single muffin tin all the way to like perfectly the top. And I think I'll combine these two too. But I'm not combining anymore. I definitely know that. All right, there we go. We're done. Now, just now. Oh, all right. Somehow I gotta get up there. Forgot. Let's put those chocolate chips on top. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't even save that much, so I have to really be careful. Ugh, come on. Maybe I'm just not gonna do it on that one over there because I don't have enough. Okay. Now let's put, these two. Now let's put this in the oven at 425 for 5 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 for 25 minutes. So 30 minutes total. This is my sister here. Alright, now let's actually get to the good stuff. Let me show you. Let's see how our things turned out. Actually, first I gotta get.
Hey, look at them. They're so good.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so let's get this out and then I'll show you because I can't really show you when Vera is hitting me and when Vera is just being annoying.
I hear the camera.
Alright, this is good.
I need my stool to come in.
Vera needs her stool to come in. But you should let it cool for around 20 minutes and then we can eat. This is my sister Vera and today we'll be trying the chocolate chip muffins. Alright, good. Vera gave it a thumbs up as always.
Can you believe this is gluten-free?
I mean, look, it's a little airy. Look at the tops of this muffin. He's beautiful. This guy isn't even burnt. Some of them are a little burnt because I left it in too long because I was editing. But a lot of these guys are really good. Even the burnt ones are good. They're just burnt a little on the edges.
But still, they're really good.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and please hit the like and the subscribe button and share with your friends. And then I'll be back next time with another video. See ya.